guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the second episode of Cooking from the Pantry. For all of you who don't know, Cooking from the Pantry is where I do the recipes from all the items that are in our pantry only without any fresh ingredients. So in today's episode we are cooking very basic but very tasty split pea soup with ham. So first thing we'll need is 200 grams of peas, split peas. I've got also a tin of ham. I had to open it outside the camera because I find a great difficulty of getting this ham out without swearing. It's absolutely ridiculous. It's really wedged in there. I tried the spatula but have to end up butchering it with a knife. Anyway, if any of you know of easy way of getting this out, then please do let me know in the comments below. We're only going to be using half of that because I'm only cooking for 2 people. I've got a mixture of salt and pepper. I've got 1 chicken stock cube. I've got a tablespoon of garlic granules, and I have a bay leaf. I am today going to be using the pressure cooker. You can use a slow cooker or you can use basically hob and a saucepan, but it will take just a little bit longer. But for the ease of things today, I'm using the king pressure thing. So first things first, guys, and as I said, it's really straightforward. So there goes our peas. Okay, I've got 1 liter of water, so I'm going to put this in there. Go. I have a pinch of salt and pepper, just a bit. The ham is quite salty, so do a little bit. Okay, I've pre-chopped half of the ham roughly, so I'm going to put this one back in and just going to put it back in there. Because it's in a pressure cooker, kind of going to dissolve it because it's quite a high fat content. It just should melt into basically nice creamy soup. I'm going to put our garlic granules, our chicken stock or bouillon cube. Okay, off it goes. Bay leaf, just gonna give it a mix up. There we go. It doesn't look very appetizing right now, but trust me. And I'm basically gonna close the lid and I'm gonna pressure cook it for about half an hour. So if I just turn this around, put it on. I'm gonna pressure cook it with the steam closed. So here we are, and literally as simple as that. So we're going to let it cook. It's going to come to pressure first and then let it cook for half an hour and then we'll see what we have. So guys, half an hour has passed and I have released the pressure from the pressure cooker. Just little tip for all of you, if you guys do have a problem with a lot of sort of spittle and water and steam going everywhere, I normally use one of those splash guards for a frying pan and I put the kitchen towel on top and I hold this over the steam so it doesn't kind of go and basically greases up your kitchen. So anyway, half an hour has passed and here we are. Wrong way. It is looking very good. So how I'm going to serve this literally is in a bowl with my not so favorite but somebody else's favorite bacon bits and enjoy. And guys, it's very simple recipe, but I was just saying, if you think how much the pea and ham soup cost, if you buy tin from even Lidl, it's like 49p. You can make so much of it and you can freeze it. It's just, I'm really happy with the results and I do hope that guys you like the video too. Don't forget to thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe to the channel to help us out and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.